Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 19 of our Advent box unboxing from Snazzi Scrappin. I think it's stamps. It feels squishy. There we go. It is a celebration. So you can use it for not Halloween. You probably could use it for Halloween. Christmas, New Year, birthdays, any sort of celebration. We've got some fireworks. We have some of the little, I don't know what they're called. It's that little flower that you blow and then you wish for fairies and fairy flowers, I think. I'm not sure exactly what their name is. That's really cute. Very, very useful. Imagine them embossed with a sparkly embossing powder. That would be so pretty. Alright, join me tomorrow for day 20. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.